Hello, and welcome to Constitutional Issues in Employment Law, LLM 474, and the John Marshall LLM program. I'm Professor Daniel Pyre, and I'll be your guide to the 7 weeks of this course. I'd like to provide a short video introduction to each unit of the course, and by the way, I hope you'll pardon the informal background here. I'm coming to you from my home office. The first 3 weeks of the course deal with due process issues that may arise in the workplace. The due process clauses of the 5th and 14th Amendment protect life, liberty, and property from deprivation without due process of law. So the relevance of that to employment law is that both property and liberty interests may arise in employment. Those in turn will be protected by the provisions of the due process clause. So the first week of the course will be exploring the ways in which property interests can be created in employment. As you will see, property interests are created by sources other than the Constitution, but once property interests are conferred, they are protected by constitutional standards under the Due Process Clause. So this first set of readings will illustrate when an employee has a property interest in employment and when an employee does not, and will help you differentiate the two situations. Later, we'll talk about what processes do in the event that property interests are created in employment. But again, for now, we're looking at the ways in which a property interest in employment may be created and the ways in which an employee may be protected from deprivation of that property under the Due Process Clause. Enjoy your reading, and I'll see you online.